how to make a Propolis infused oil. Now this is going to be a 10%, and what you're going to need something to weigh with, some scales. You're going to need a measuring cup. Olive oil is a preferred oil when you're making an infused oil for medical reasons. You need a jar with a tight fitting lid, which is your canning jars. You're also going to need a dark colored bottle to store it in, a funnel, and a cheesecloth to strain with. Now your recipes are going to be found on page 49 of Making Healing Remedies with Honey and Propolis, and on page 74 of Handmade from the Hive. Now you're going to measure 200 mils of olive oil, but you're going to weigh your propolis. We need 10 grams of it. Now if you want it to make a stronger propolis oil, you can of course increase that to 20 grams or 30 grams. Now you need, you can use a double boiler and cook it for 10 minutes and using a thermometer to make sure the temperature stays below 122 degrees, but you may have to throw away your pan. So unless you're really making propolis oil on a regular basis and can dedicate that pan for that reason, you probably don't want to do that. Another method is to just put it inside your canning jar, shake it every day, 2 or 3 times a day for 2 or 3 weeks, and then strain it. Now I prefer to use a yogurt maker. I can make it overnight. I put it in my jar. I don't put a lid on it. I put the lid on it, and you can see it's not touching. And a yogurt maker is designed to keep the yogurt, 110 or below. So you don't have to worry about washing it, but you would want to go and kind of stir it up, set several times. Now I've had it sitting overnight, and I'm ready to strain it. Now the one thing about using the canning jars, it has 200 mils marked on it, so I didn't have to mess up one of my measuring glasses. So now we're ready to strain it. I'm just going to use my cheesecloth and just strain it. Now according to some sources, they say that you can save your propolis and reuse it because as you can see, it's not dissolving. But if you want to save it and it's been in oil, you would want to put it in the freezer because you don't want the oil to go rancid. And then you would definitely want to know which kind of oil you use so you wouldn't be mixing them. I've got that strained up. And I'm ready to store it. I'm going to put my lid on it. I'm going to mark it. I'm going to mark it that it's 10% propolis, that I'm using olive oil. I'm going to use the date. And now I'm ready to make my propolis salve or balm or lip balm or whatever I need to make. And I'll have more videos giving demonstrations on that. Thank you.